Hello everyone and welcome to today's hair tutorial. Today's hair tutorial was going to be a really easy rope braided bun. Start off by putting some sort of frizz-free product through your hair. And just run it all the way through to the ends. And then you're going to split your hair in half at the back of your head. And you can clip one section out of the way if that makes it easier for you. You're then going to pick up two strands of hair and you're going to twist them together. Pick up some hair from near your hairline, add it to the front piece of hair and twist it over. And you're just going to do that until you've incorporated all your hair on the one side. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. You can also use a centre part if that's the way you part your hair naturally. When you've done that, you're going to twist the two separate braids together. Then you're going to tie that with an elastic, and then you're going to roll the braid you have made downwards. And then you're just going to pin that into place. This is a really great hairstyle for the summer because it gets all your hair off your neck and it's quick and simple to do. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you again soon. Thank you so much for watching.